Hello friends, welcome to the channel Jago Students. This is the sixth part or set 6 of static GK questions. They are given in MCQ format. The other sets you can find in the description box. Go to the description box, there you will find the link of the playlist of other static GK questions and answers. All these questions are very important for competitive exams. So let's start. First question: which city in India is known as City of Lakes? Option A Udaipur, option B Chennai, option C Lucknow, option D Bengaluru. The correct answer will be option A Udaipur, and Udaipur is in Rajasthan. Okay, so next question: which of the diseases is not caused by virus? Option A TB, option B polio, option C dengue, option D chickenpox. The correct answer will be option A TB or tuberculosis. This disease is not caused by virus. Next question: who was the revenue minister in Akbar's court? Option A Tansen, option B Birbal, option C Todarmal, option D none of the above. The correct answer will be option C Todarmal. He was the revenue minister in Akbar's court. Question number 4: which of the following is the unit of heat? Option A joule, option B ohm, option C ampere, option D volt. The correct answer will be option A joule. Joule is the unit of heat. Next question: who among the following is the future Buddha that is yet to come? Option A Chanakya, option B Laughing Buddha, option C Maitreya, option D Lokesh Verma. So here the correct answer will be option C Maitreya. Maitreya is the future Buddha that is yet to come. Then question number 6: malfunctioning of which organ causes the disease jaundice? Option A liver, option B stomach, option C pancreas, option D kidney. The correct answer will be option A liver. Malfunctioning of liver causes the disease jaundice. Question number 7: what is the name of Tsangpo river in India? Option A Brahmaputra, option B Satluj, option C Ganges, option D Beas. The correct answer is option A Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra in India, Brahmaputra originates from Tibet. So in Tibet, Brahmaputra is known by the name Tsangpo river. And when this river enters India, that means when Tsangpo river enters India, it becomes Brahmaputra. And in Tibet, Brahmaputra is known by the name Tsangpo. So what is Tsangpo in Tibet? The same river becomes Brahmaputra in India. Next question: what is the boiling point of water in What is the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit? Option A 0 degree Fahrenheit, option B 212 degree Fahrenheit, option C 32 degree Fahrenheit, option D 100 degree Fahrenheit. The correct answer will be option B 212 degree Fahrenheit. We know that the boiling point of water is in Celsius, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Now what is the formula to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit? The formula is C by 5 equals to F minus 32 by 9. Please note it down in your copy. Very important formula. C by 5. C means Celsius. C by 5 equals to F minus 32 by 9. F is Fahrenheit. Now if you put the value of C 100 degree, then the Fahrenheit will be, the answer that will come is 212 degree Fahrenheit. So this is a very important formula. Please note it down. C by 5 equals to F minus 32 by 9. From this formula you can find the value of C if you know the value of F, and if you know the value of F, then you can find the value of C. So next question. Who founded the Benares Hindu University? Option A Sukumar De, option B Madan Mohan Malviya, option C Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option D Motilal Nehru. The correct answer will be option B Madan Mohan Malviya founded the Benares Hindu University. He founded this university in the year 1916. So this university was founded in 1916, and the person who founded this university is Madan Mohan Malviya, and the place is UP, Uttar Pradesh. Last question, question number 10. Where is the temple of Angkor Wat located? Option A Thailand, option B Malaysia, option C Cambodia, option D none of the above. The correct answer will be option C, option C Cambodia. The temple of Angkor Wat is found in Cambodia. This is a Buddhist temple. So this is a Buddhist temple and it is found in Cambodia. Okay, so that's all for today, and thank you all for watching this video. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel Jago Students. Thank you.